Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking a high-energy deep dive into what I can honestly describe as a total game changer for the rental industry. We're going to look at an all-in-one command center that is specifically designed to completely revolutionize how back-end rental businesses operate. Look, if you've ever dealt with the headache of tracking gear, managing contracts, or figuring out who exactly damaged what, you know how incredibly complex this industry can get. It's like a giant puzzle. So today, we're going to break down exactly how modern software solves these massive logistical nightmares. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the unified rental ecosystem. Then we'll move into smart pricing and bookings, explore fulfillment and traceability, jump into active management and maintenance, and finally, tackle returns, deposits, and recovery. So, Section 1, the unified rental ecosystem, or basically the command center for your entire fleet. Right off the bat, we need to establish the sheer scope of this system. We are talking about an industry-ready solution that natively supports everything from construction and heavy machinery to furniture, highly sensitive medical equipment, event gear, electronics, and heavy industrial stuff. I really wanted to highlight this first to instantly establish just how versatile this platform is. Whether you're renting out a $50,000 excavator or, 50 folding chairs for a wedding, the back-end logistics require absolute precision. And it's not just about what you rent, it's about where you rent it from. This system lets you manage back-end operations seamlessly across multiple companies, branches, stores, and warehouses, entirely from a single platform. Just think about the sheer scale that supports for a second. No matter how geographically spread out your business is, say you've got a warehouse in Texas, a storefront in New York, maybe a subsidiary brand over in California, it all remains completely visible and manageable on one single screen. You literally never have to jump between different software systems just because you're looking at a different branch. Which brings us to this really powerful concept, leveraging Odoo's sales, inventory, accounting, CRM, and repair for a complete back-end rental ecosystem. I wanted to read that directly because it underscores a really fundamental point. This isn't just some basic scheduling tool tacked onto a website. No, this is a fully integrated Odoo ecosystem. When a rental happens, it instantly talks to your accounting software, it instantly updates your inventory, and it updates the customer's CRM profile. It acts as a unified brain for the entire operation. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds into the next phase, smart pricing and bookings, setting the stage for revenue. And this brilliantly illustrates how the system handles what used to be a massive headache, complex pricing. The exact same item can have an hourly rate, a daily rate, a weekly rate, and a monthly rate configured right there in the back end. Why is that absolutely crucial? Well, because a contractor might just need a generator for 4 hours, right? But a music festival needs it for a whole week. The system automatically applies the correct pricing tier based on the booking duration, completely wiping out human math errors on the sales floor. But wait, what if someone wants to just buy the generator outright? You can actually have a direct sale configuration on one side and a rental configuration on the other for the exact same back-end product. Being able to offer the very same product for rent or for sale simultaneously without totally messing up your inventory is just the ultimate operational relief. The system knows it's the exact same physical item, but it lets you monetize it through whichever channel your customer prefers. Now, once the price is set, we've got to lock it in. The system lets you generate legally compliant back-end rental agreements with customer e-signatures for highly secure, paperless transactions. The days of filing cabinets overflowing with muddy clipboards and lost carbon copies? Yeah, those are over. Capturing an e-signature instantly locks in the deal, skipping the manual paperwork entirely and securing the whole transaction digitally in the cloud. Section 3, fulfillment and traceability. Let's talk about getting the equipment out the door. So, the crucial point here is how you actually protect yourself when that expensive equipment leaves the warehouse. There are 3 simple steps for smart product verification. Step 1, you verify customer documents. Got to make sure their license and insurance are actually valid. Step 2, complete the product checklists. Did you remember to include the power cables and the manual? And Step 3, capture inspection images. This strict step-by-step verification before delivery really protects your bottom line from false claims later on. You have literal photographic proof of the item's condition the exact second it left your hands. And whether your team is driving a box truck out to a construction site or a customer is just walking right into your storefront, this system supports both delivery and customer pickup workflows with that exact same dedicated verification and documentation. The workflow effortlessly adapts to the situation, but the watertight documentation ensuring your assets are protected, that remains exactly identical. Now, complete traceability is absolutely vital. The software manages this for consumable products, lot-tracked products, and serial-tracked rental products. Knowing the precise serial or lot number of what just went out the door is crucial, especially for high-value machinery or, say, FDA-regulated medical gear. If a specific lot gets recalled, or if you just need to know exactly which serial number was rented to which client on a specific Tuesday, this system provides that exact traceability instantly.
All right, Section 4, Active Management and Maintenance. Basically, what happens while the equipment is out in the wild.
Now, what's really interesting about this timeline is how automated rental email communication keeps you completely in control once the gear is out of sight. The system handles the entire life cycle. It starts with a booking confirmation, spans the whole rental period, sends a friendly reminder email as the return date approaches, and then automatically triggers an overdue notification if they happen to be late. Setting this up completely eliminates tedious manual follow-ups. Your staff isn't stuck spending hours calling people to remind them to bring back a camera lens. The system does all the communication for you flawlessly and on time. And of course, plans change in the real world. A customer calls up and says, "Hey, I actually need to keep this forklift for another week." No problem. This system allows you to extend ongoing back-end rental orders instantly with automatic rental period and pricing recalculation. You just extend the date in the back-end and the software effortlessly adapts, recalculating the pricing on the fly based on those flexible rates we talked about earlier. There's no voiding contracts, no starting from scratch. It's seamless. Now, when that forklift finally does come back, it can't always just bounce straight to the next customer, right? You can actually schedule equipment maintenance using a configurable buffer time. This ensures your rental products are always kept ready and reliable. By adding an automatic buffer time after a return, say maybe a 24-hour block for cleaning and servicing, the equipment is temporarily hidden from being booked. It ensures your technicians have the breathing room to perfectly service the gear before the next customer ever gets their hands on it. But what happens when things go wrong? Section 5. Returns, Deposits, and Recovery. Securing your bottom line. We are shifting focus now to the chaotic, complicated realities of the rental industry. When things come back broken or late, it can be incredibly stressful to deal with. Thankfully, the ecosystem handles this too. It lets you automatically calculate, collect, adjust, and refund security deposits based entirely on rental conditions. Think about the immense relief this security deposit automation brings. Instead of manually tracking who owes what, holding on to physical paper checks, or doing manual credit card refunds, the system logically holds and releases these deposits based simply on whether the item came back in good condition. And if they're late, well, the system essentially steps in as the bad cop. The overdue rental management feature calculates overdue charges automatically, fires off those reminder emails we saw earlier, and helps you manage delayed product returns in your inventory forecast. You literally never have to have an awkward argument about late fees again. The software just calculates the exact overdue charges according to the legally signed contract. But what if the equipment is damaged or just flat out missing? That's where damage and loss recovery comes in. When the item comes back, you capture the return inspection details. And remember those initial inspection images we talked about when it left the warehouse? You pull those right up, compare them to the damaged item sitting in front of you, and the software automatically calculates the damage or loss charges and generates the invoice. It takes what is usually an incredibly tense situation and turns it into a clear, documented, automated process. Which brings us completely full circle. Centralized back-end operations. We've seen how you can control bookings, inventory, contracts, invoices, and returns through one single unified rental management system. By tying the sales, the maintenance, the automated communication, and the secure documentation all into a single Odoo ecosystem, you completely eliminate data silos and drastically reduce human error. You aren't just renting out equipment anymore. You are orchestrating a highly efficient, highly traceable business. So, I want to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to let this unified ecosystem become the actual command center for your entire rental business? When you've got this level of automated traceability, the flexible pricing, and the digital security all working together seamlessly in the backend, the sky really is the limit for how far you can scale your operations. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I really hope this provided a clear window into the true potential of modern backend rental management.